Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your runway walk in Trust and Press game of Roblox. Okay, this is my runway walk right now, guys. And if you want to change your runway walk, you're going to go to this post menu and you're going to click on this icon and you'll access the walk pack menu. And here you can choose the runway walk that you want to apply. For instance, I'm going to choose the ice skating walk. So I'm going to choose this walk pack and I'm going to equip the walk. And this is how the ice skating walk looks like. And I'm going to go to the runway and I'm going to choose the winter runway. Let's just go to there and I'm going to show you the ice skating runway. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, and this is the ice skating runway, and I'm going to end it. And okay, guys, that's how you can change your runway walk in a Trust and Press game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.